Why does your scanner show the P0934 engine code? What does it mean? P0934 is a diagnostic trouble code for hydraulic pressure sensor circuit low. This engine code indicates that the PCM, or ECM, has detected a low voltage signal from the hydraulic pressure sensor circuit, suggesting a potential issue with the transmission's hydraulic pressure, or the sensor itself. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty hydraulic pressure sensor, wiring issues, transmission control module issues, low transmission fluid. Other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.